Hey y'all, so your girl is back with another sensational wig review. This is a Butta Lace wig, HD Lace Unit 29 in the Bellage Caramel. I actually was trying to get the color that was actually on the front of the box, but I ended up getting this one by mistake. But this color is so cute and it's really natural. Y'all see the lace. I think this is 30 inches, I believe. I might have to go back and double check that. But y'all see what it's giving. Definitely real. Y'all see the baby hairs. It has clips inside and an adjustable band. Your girl got this out the box too quick. And I actually ordered this from Amazon, y'all. So you can't order it, from the various hair sites or your hair store. But I got it from Amazon. Put my wig cap on. I actually had my makeup on because your girl was headed out. Okay. And I adjusted the band so that I can make it tighter, girl. So we don't have no mishaps because I do not have time for that. I put it on like so. And as you can see, I actually had it like tightened up pretty good. I had to really pull it down in the back. I was like, oh, yes, ma'am, this is cute. It's giving beach Barbie waves. Okay, girl. I pulled out the lace so that I could get it, cut just right. I think I'm starting to become a pro at cutting lace, y'all. I done got a few wigs over the last month, and your girl is just getting better and better. So you can see it here a little more up close, but y'all, it's definitely giving what it needs to. It's not even giving synthetic. In case you didn't know, yes, this is a synthetic wig. You can see how long it is on me as well. I definitely love the inches, y'all. The inches is cute. It make you feel like somebody, okay? I got my little clips here, and I am preparing to cut the lace. I do try to cut it as close as possible, and I push back the baby hairs as well so that I don't cut those. And I really like that this is pre-plucked, y'all. I wouldn't pluck this again. Now, I don't even know how to do that, but it is plucked pretty good, as you can see here. And I just went in and just cut it as close as possible. I use shears. I know some of the girls like to use the eyebrow razor thing, but this is pretty good for me. One thing I like about the Sensational wigs, y'all, they are literally pop out the box and put on your head, okay? You do not have to do much to these wigs. I cut the lace and I made sure I got it as good as possible. And I was like, okay, I'm ready. And I do wear this as glueless. I don't want nothing glued in my head, y'all. And it came out pretty good. Y'all drop down in the comments and let me know, what do you think about this unit? This was about $37. Listen, if you are an alopecia girly like me and you just want to switch it up, go ahead and get you a wig, okay? And yes, girl, it's giving what it needs to. And I went out later that day and I look so cute, y'all. Y'all drop down in the comments and let me know, what do you think of this look?